Hello everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first, and what we can see here is this is the hourly time frame, and we can see that there is a breakout that happened today. 1.2625 was this important support level. And we can see that pound didn't have a big problem today to go and distribute lower. So the likely scenario for today in the near future is to develop, is for the pound to develop further downside, and we have the area of consolidation around. So we have the lower diagonal here around 1.2590, but we also can see here the area where we got this big imbalance around 1.2550 and 1.2510, which can also be a potential in case of the further downside movement. So that's a likely scenario at this point. And now for the upside scenario, we'd like to see the market to return back into this area 1.2650-55 and then hold above and eventually then rotate to the upper references 1.2700 area or 720 mark. But for this we need to see some shakeout of those lows and then increase an imbalance to the upside. Now speaking of the gold market, nothing really changed since our previous update. So we still can see that market is trading in the consolidation, more like in the triangle pattern. So let's see about potential breakout. So if the market let's say can clear to 2027 mark and hold below, there is a chance for the 2015 to be on the test, or even a 1995 to be on the test. From other side, if market can clear and hold above 2050, that can be a good sign for potential retest of 2070 or 2075. Now speaking of the crude oil market, still this market is building higher lows, and we can see that market is respecting this rising trend line. And so far we also have the 75.20 is important pivot level. If the market can break that level and hold above, then there is a chance even for the market to go higher towards 79 mark. The downside scenario, if market can clear the low at 73.28, hold below, then there is a chance for 71.95 or even 70.75 to be on the test. And Bitcoin versus US dollar still trading into the very important resistance zone. We have lots of reactions in the background, and this will be the key cluster to observe. And the meaningful rejection, let's say if market can take 43,000 and trade below, can be a good sign for the downside rotation towards that 41,800 or even 40,800 mark. So this area here for the market to return back to some of the zone here. If the market can trade higher and hold above 45,000, then it can open the door for higher prices towards the 46, 47,000, even 48,000 mark. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day and speak to you from tomorrow morning.